Hey guys, welcome back to this crazy kooky place we call Amanda's Surprise YouTube channel. And I am coming at you with another video. And today's video is going to be a first impressions slash review on a new company. Well, new to me, I've never really heard of them. But before we get into all that good stuff, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Like, what you been waiting for? And like, you will never ever miss another thing like these earrings. Hello. And yes, I just had to make a little shout out to my earrings. I absolutely love them. Aren't they just awesome? They are so colorful and oh, they scream personality. I actually do have a fantastic jewelry haul coming very soon. So if you like jewelry that screams, you're gonna love that. So yeah, you better subscribe so you don't miss that. Anyways, so why don't we get into today's video? And you might be already noticing it and saying, what the heck is that big colorful thing there? So you may have noticed this guy in the background. I know you were probably thinking I meant this guy, but this is Rufus. And he is what Josh got me for Valentine's Day. Isn't he sweet? Oh yes, your mommy loves you. Mwah. Yeah, I'm a geek. But this guy right here is actually the package that we are going to be reviewing, and it's a first impression. So I came across this company, and as I said earlier, it's new to me. I've never heard of it, I've never seen it, I've never anything, and it's called PopFit. I have the PopFit website up on my phone, so I can get all of the information straight from them. So PopFit, as I said, I have never heard of it before. It literally just popped up on my Instagram, like in the ads or whatever. And I was like, oh my gosh, okay, that sounds really cool. And the photo that they had on there was this like super amazing pair of leggings. And leggings have like blown up and like is probably one of the most popular like pants now ever, okay? So apparently they've been around for like two years-ish. So they are, okay, they are a legging subscription service. Now I know, before you're like, oh my God, I know, they have subscription services for everything. But I thought because this PopFit is so new, everybody's gonna start seeing them, you know, and like be curious. So that's why I decided to do this first impression review, because girl, I like to save my money and I wanna save you money. Like if these leggings aren't that great, then, you know, whatever, pass. But if they're really good, maybe we're onto something. So let's get into the actual site. Okay, so PopFit says that they have pockets, but not the pockets that you usually see. Their pockets can easily hold an iPhone Plus, so that's good. They have also added they call it PopFit Signature Structured Back. And what that means, they have added a tiny little seam, it's like just a line, that is at the small of your back, and also another one that goes curving around your butt. And what that does is it adds depth and structure to your backside, so it makes your behind look amazing, apparently. And their comfort of their leggings are designed to be worn every day. Their material is made from an extra soft poly spandex blend. So you can apparently wear them anywhere, anytime, you know, you'll feel good. And just a little bit of a backstory, it says every single seam is sewn using a flat stitch technique, so there are no bulky seams. It goes on to say that other leggings have limited flat stitching on some places, but not all, because it's more expensive and harder to do that. but they believe that all seams must be flat for maximum comfort, which I do believe. Like when I wear a pair of the thicker, like $5 leggings from like Stitches, sometimes I'll get like a seam mark on like the side of my thigh, and it's not cute, and you know, it's a little bit uncomfortable. I am going to go ahead and open these up, and then we can get into like pricing and things like that. I do want to say that it did take a little while to get to me, but that's okay. So in there, it looks like that. You can see your items in there. So then I'm just going to yoink, pull it out. And first thing I see is the little like invoice to tell you, you know, the leggings that are in there, which is awesome. Next I see they do have a really cute like packaging for the leggings, which I like that. I'm a sucker for packaging. So how they work is it's a subscription service, as I mentioned earlier. So these leggings are actually $29.95 a month. I am going to get into the legging part. So we're gonna open up these packages here. My dogs are barking because Josh is home, so I'll be right back, okay? All right, so I'm back. I hung out with my honey bunny a little bit. I got supper started. So why don't we pick up where we left off? The two styles of leggings that I got are Candace and Sophie. I'm not sure if they are clearly like labeled on the packages at all. I'm not seeing any. So let's just go for it. I'm gonna open up this pack here. I'll be able to tell the difference anyways because one is a plain, just normal legging, and the other one has some like peaks. Kind of looks, you know, like got the mesh accents or whatever. So at first feel, they definitely don't feel like Lululemon, but they kind of feel, I'm not saying they feel bad and cheap at all, but they feel different. That's what I'll say. So these have the mesh detail on it. So these are the Candace ones. So as you can see, they are high-waisted and they are like this skinny, just plain Jane, nothing really, but that is true. Every single stitch and seam on these are the flat stitch, which is nice. So I will open the next one, which are Sophie. These will be the plain, just normal black ones. Oh, okay. So these look like this. I do notice that they have actual like little pockets there. I don't know what you would really see the size of that, my fingers. I don't know what you would put in that, but okay, that's cool. So here are the Sophie ones, and as you can see, high-waisted again, and they have all flat stitching on the entire pant. I wonder if the Candace have pockets. Oh, they do. So the Candace ones also have a pocket right there. You can see in my fingers. So, okay, I'm going to do the comparison and try these on. Okay, so here is the Candace leggings on. Now, right off the bat, this is definitely, the material is not as thick as the Lululemon material is in any way. It's so much thinner. You can see like my underwear lines through it. And one thing is the elastic is literally only this wide. Your band for your high waist is this wide. So when you only have half the width of the high-waisted with an elastic, you're gonna have a elastic mark here and not elastic mark. So yes, the cutouts are hella cute. I like the cutouts. I think it's cute. It would look fine like that if I had a, like, I wouldn't feel comfortable wearing, like, you know, a crop top, say, with them, just because it's really bulky here. Maybe that's my fault by ordering the wrong size, but I feel if I went down a size, it would be too tight in the wrong places. So here is the pockets right here. There's one and there's the other one. So I'm not sure what you expect really to do with those, but they are nice leggings. I will say that, but I don't know if they're nice leggings for $30 a month, you know? So I'm gonna try the Sophie ones on, and let's hope those have a little bit better of an outcome. All right, so these ones here are the Sophie ones. These are just the plain black, you know, no cutouts, no mesh, no fanciness. And I will say that these ones have a much better fit. And what I mean by that is these are the same size, but there is no bulkiness like in this area like the other ones had. It was very scrunchy up here, and I had them pulled up all the way, and I definitely do not want a camel toe. That's a big no-no, ladies. So these ones fit a lot better. They have room. I don't mind the only half elastic, because like I said, this much, let me lift that up a bit. This much is elastic, but this much is the high waist band. So I don't mind it on these. You can't really tell so much. Like, of course, I get a little bit of a like love handle thing right here, but you gotta love yourself, ladies. So these ones are a much better fit. The pockets on these ones are like this down here. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you would store in these little mini pockets. Oh, actually, just popped into my head. You know what? Hang on a second. I knew that there was a pair of leggings that I was like, man, what leggings did I just get that are almost comparable but a lot cheaper? And I mean no disrespect to Pop Fit at all, seriously at all. But if you see in my haul that I just posted recently, I went shopping and I picked up, and these leggings I got from Costco, and they were $12. They don't have like the best fit. Like the elastic up here is literally like this big, but this is the high waist elastic, so you get this action. See where it like tight, really tight right here, and then it like goes the rest of your body, which I'm really self-conscious about that, but whatever. It's winter, your girl is on her period. And yeah, so these are very comparable, and look at it, also has the little mesh peep thing also. So I just wanted to throw that in here. These are the brand Head, and they are dry motion and everything else like that, moisture management. So I think it's totally, you know, that's comparable to that also. Okay, so for my final thoughts on the Pop Fit leggings, are they comparable to Lululemon? In my opinion, no. Are they better quality than some other leggings that I've worn? Yes, definitely. Do I think that these are worth $29.95? No, but that's because I shop on a budget all the time. I can't see myself paying $30 every single month for these, like I said in the little try-on piece there, they are almost the same as the pair of leggings that I got from Costco, which I featured in my last haul. I'll leave that link down below. And like I said, they were only like $12 at Costco. Do I think that you should maybe take advantage of the get a pair of leggings for free but only pay shipping of these? Yes, of course. I don't know, I guess it's up to preference, but I really do hope all of this information was helpful for you, because like I said, this company's new. You might not have seen much about them yet, but you might. So again, if you have any questions whatsoever, please don't be shy. Leave them down below, because I definitely do read all of your comments and everything like that. If you like these types of review, first impression kind of videos, give this a thumbs up so I know, because I really enjoy doing these kind of like, let me test it out for you, you know? I really do enjoy that. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I always do so many different types of videos, and I am always up for your requests or anything you would like to see. Well, all you beautiful people out there, me and my hella loud earrings are gonna get going, but don't you worry, because I will be back at you with another video very soon, and I will be able to see all of your beautiful faces once again. Mwah! Bye guys.
Let's go.